Hello, happy weekends. Today is Thursday already. What time is 5 p.m. here in Baghdad, Iraq. Now we are preparing to go overnight a picnic and swimming pool. I think swimming pool also. And to Ate to celebrate also the birthday of the friend of Madam Answer, and you are invited to spend overnight there. I don't know what place that one, so now we are preparing already on that one. To pour, that is for Sisi, and this one also, and for me. And we bring some bed cover for sleep. Okay. Tomorrow morning, or I don't know, morning or afternoon, we come back, and maybe we spend lunch time to the house of the parents of Sir Osama. Maybe, I don't think so. So I wish everybody will be okay to spend their weekends with their family, friends, relatives, batchmate, cousin, mga pamangkin, mga angkan to angkan, kung saan buong mundo kayo, in different countries, in different time also. Be happy and enjoy again. Be relaxed kasi weekends already, para sa mga tired sa pagtrabaho, so relax sometimes. Picnic, swimming, at sa beach, sa dagat. Mas maganda talaga pag sa dagat to, diba? Sige, thank you again. Thank you to subscribe me, and thank you to like me, and ingat lagi para sa mga kalusugan natin. Keep safe to all our health, and be happy. God bless at all, and bye bye.